Hey guys, and welcome to this fall video. So in this video I am teaching you guys how to achieve this makeup look for fall and this hairstyle right here. So if you guys want to know how I get ready for fall, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so first we're going to start with my hair. I have been having a lot of postpartum hair loss on the sides of my temples, which is really annoying. It actually hit me right after this video, kind of like when my baby turned about 4 months old. I was pre-filming this video, so my baby was a little bit smaller in this video. Also, if you hear any weird noises in the background, that's my baby making noises, so don't mind him. So I decided to put my bangs up. You can put your bangs to the side however you want. Then I'm putting my hair in a ponytail. Now this bun I'm going to show you how to do. My niece either made it up or found it somewhere or something, but she asked me to do this video and do this bun. So this bun, you just split it in half and you twist one side around and then you twist the other side the opposite direction and then you twist it around. Kind of like what I'm showing you. I know it like doesn't make sense. Then you just put a tie on it. And to spice this up, you can make this hairpiece that my niece came up with. So you take a hairband and some pretty leaves and you just put the leaves on the hairband and tie it up. And look how much more fancy your bun is for fall. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and this was an awesome idea from her. I think it looks super elegant. I filmed the bun part at a different time because I had not yet got the products and made it. So now on to the makeup. So we're going to be using the Swamp Palette, Liquid Foil Lipstick. I will have all the products listed below actually, so make sure you check those out. But first I'm just covering up any acne or any red spots. I have been having a ton of acne lately after having a baby. It's crazy. So I'm using the color in the Swamp Queen palette called Sassy Buns. This is by far my favorite color in the palette. It's a glittery bronzy color, and I think it just goes really good with my hair and my complexion. Then I am using the red color in that palette. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the blush in the palette, and just adding a little bit of blush just to make me look alive. Then I am using some mascara from Ulta and just hooking up my eyelashes. This is a really cool brush. This one has like a cool brush that like brushes your eyelashes as you put the mascara on. Then lastly, I'm finishing up the look with Liquid Foil Lip Gloss, and it just looks so fall, and I think it looks so pretty, and this is just what I do for makeup in the fall time. My niece came up with this idea for this video and this bun while we were brainstorming video ideas, so you can thank her for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you did, and I'll see you in the next one soon. Bye!